Hello everyone. I'm dying for a snack. It needs to be crunchy, and I'm gonna make me some frugal cheesy snack. It's basically something that fits perfectly for low income snacks, although it's also health conscious because it's cheese. So I'm gonna put this in my cookbook as well. So since I'm still awake, I might as well do that. I'm having a ball with these meals that I'm making, but looking forward to making some snacks. So that's what I'm doing with this right here. It's a good thing I did buy so many blocks of cheese, because I turned around and I used them. Now I'm gonna do some Parmesan cheese. I am almost positive I should put an extra 2 on there. I can't even imagine being able to eat just I can't do that. 6 is definitely not enough for me. Nope. But you know what? I don't want to be greedy, so I am gonna use just the 6 and try to remember gratitude for having something on my table. You know what I mean? I don't want to be gluttonous. I don't like eating like that. I ate so much. I gained weight within the last few days, and although I'm not crying about a little bit of weight gain, I just gotta remember that weight is not good for my health as far as my pain is concerned. Feet and everything start hurting. I told my daughter the same thing. She said, "Mommy, you right, because my feet is hurting now." Yep. Now I already put a little bit of salt on the I already put a little bit of salt on the pan already. I should have thought of that before. Although it's not gonna really matter if it's in little pieces or not, because it's gonna be flat. I believe anyway. But I still got it. I don't know how many minutes I need to put it on. So I'm gonna put it to 400 for about maybe 3 minutes. Oh no. Oh, thank you, Lord. Have mercy. I forgot what I want on there. Ooh, I don't know what I'm gonna do when I run out of this. I can't find it nowhere. Can't find it anywhere. Let me try to get this directly on there. I'm trying to find this little thing that you use for like crafting or something. You know what I mean? But I can't find it. But basically, what I want to do is just like not waste the actual spices that are there. So that's about it. And I'm gonna do this. That's on 400, and you know what they do? It smells so good in here. Oh, but I had to come in here real quick because I went in the room and sat down at the computer because I'm printing my book out. But whew, I realized something, boys and girls. I could sit down there and within 2-3 minutes, the daggone food burn up. So I said, let me come inside here and do this because we don't want that to happen, not tonight. I'm making sure this video is under 15 minutes, under 20 minutes, 30 at the best. So I gotta check them real quick. They're melting, but at 400 degrees or whatever, I would think they would melt faster than that. Okay, I got my cheese now. What am I gonna eat with it? I think for right now I'm gonna have cheese, and then since it's only about midnight, I'm gonna take one of my cabbage and sausage out, maybe around 3 a.m. and eat, because I'm going to bed about 6 a.m. Yes, boys and girls, it's melting down really nicely. Okay, we don't want to waste too much time on this 20-minute video. I had to sit down for like 10 minutes, but you know what I did? I turned the oven off and left. Oh, I like it. Okay. I turned it off and left, so it's melted already. All I have to do now is let it sit, because the longer it sits, it's gonna get crispy, and then I'll be able to eat it, which is already getting there. Oh, that is good. Oh. Oh boy. I might as well put this in my new book that I'm going to be writing. Boys and girls, let me tell you, Amazon has that that boycott. I said, honey, I'm gonna pull my book right on over there. So I went to the KDP and unchecked all of my books. So now, after April something, it's gonna be off of KDP, and then I get to market it on my own. I said I'm gonna print it, put it in some plastic liner, put a little ticket on it, and then I'm going, I'm not allowed to Amazon with a big, no big old boycott, man. Listen, I'm trying to eat. Oh boy, I'm trying to eat now, not after 4 years of somebody. Ooh.